Alright, so this is our Stealthwake number 2. This is the one that has the wire drive system installed. Over the winter I moved the trim tabs, put on turn fins. So this is going to be the first full run. So there it is, Stealthwake number 2 in the water. First run at 2022. So there you go. That was the Stealthwake number 2 with the Z 5200 milliamp hour battery and our new CNC prop and trim tabs and turn fins, and we hit 27.2 miles an hour. Now we're going to drop in our 3-cell. All right, here goes the 3-cell in Stealthwake number 2. Well, that's not even full throttle yet. Huh. It's a little unstable. That was almost full throttle. Yeah, I think we're done with the 3-cell for now.